If you ever held a screaming toddler in your arms, heart racing, unsure of what to say or do, you're not alone. Meltdowns aren't misbehavior, they're emotional storms, and every storm has a color. In this video, we'll walk through the emotional journey of a toddler meltdown using color as our guide. From fierce frustration to deep blue sadness, and finally, the soft green of regulation. This isn't just a story, it's a tool for parents, educators, and anyone who loves a little one with big feelings. And now we begin with red. Tight fists, loud cries, a body flooded with too much. In this moment, your toddler isn't trying to push you away. They're begging for safety, deep pressure, quiet space, and your calm presence can help anchor them. Then comes yellow, the stomping, the no, the flaring arms. This is the fight for control. So offer choices, use some visual cues, let them feel seen without needing words. Now we enter blue. Tears fall, shoulders slump, the storm begins to quiet. Sadness is vulnerable. A comfort object, a gentle voice, a moment of connection. These are the bridges back to safety. And then finally green. Breathe in slow, eyes meet ears. This is the moment of repair. Celebrate it, name it. Let your child know you were safe the whole time and I was right here. Toddlers' feelings are big, messy, beautiful, and when we learn to walk through them with color, with compassion, we don't just survive, we connect, we teach, we grow. Thank you for being here. Your presence matters more than you know. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, to share it, and to like. Thank you for being with Read, Make, Learn with Miss Stephanie. And don't forget to go pick up a copy of one of my books, 3 Friends Living in a Country Garden, The Little City Girl Meets the Suburbs, and My Big Suitcase of Emotions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.